Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to install Angry Birds Epic. If you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So you can do this on your iOS, Android, and PC. So for the Android part, you can just head over to your browser, over to the new tab, and just search for Angry Birds Epic APK. And then just click this up to down link right here, and then from there you can see this. Just click on this latest version right here, and then it will show you this download option right here. You can download this with the app store. You can just download the XAPK file. After that, just download that and you should be able to play it. Now next on the iOS, you can just head over and open your app store, change your store to Zimbabwe, and head over to app store, and you should be able to see the Angry Birds Epic on the purchases. So on the PC, you can just head over and download BlueStacks. It actually looks like this. After you have download BlueStacks right here using this link, you can open it. It's actually an Android emulator, and you can just follow the steps using the Android thing. So you can just search again for Angry Birds Epic APK using the method that I showed you, and then from in there you should be able to get it downloaded on your PC. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to install Angry Birds Epic, iOS, Android, and PC. If you have comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.